Welcome to this Go Power how-to video showing the steps to connect one 100Ah Advanced Lithium Battery with the RVC power track cable. Step 1. Remove the water caps on the battery. Step 2. Connect a battery end cap terminating resistor to the port on the battery, as shown. Note: twist the cap slightly until you hear a click. Then proceed to tighten. Do not force the connector in. Forcing the resistor in will result in irreparable damage. Step 3. Connect the communication cap of the power track RVC cable to the second port of the battery closest to the LED button, as shown. The other end of the power track RVC cable is now ready to be connected to an existing RVC system, such as BM Pro or Firefly. For more information, visit gopowersolar.com.